If your new Outlook signature is missing, here is what we can do to fix it. So for example, you already have your Outlook signature, and when you create a new email, it doesn't appear right here. So what you can do is that you can add it manually. So to do that, just go to the body of the email, then go to insert. From here, you should see the option for signature. So click that, and then click the signatures that you already have right here. So for example, I already have this signature test right here. So I can click that, and then as you can see, it will now be added automatically into the body of the email. If you don't have any signatures yet, you can just go to signature and then go to signatures. Then you will be redirected right here. Or you can click the settings icon and then click account, go to signatures, then you will be redirected to the same window. What you can also do is that you can set the default for your signatures right here, so that when you create a new message or create a reply or forward, it will automatically have the signature ready. So just click save, and then for example, I delete this, and then when I create a new email, as you can see, it now automatically has the signature right here since we have set that as the default. So if you don't have any signatures yet, what you can do is that you can create a signature right here. So just click plus add signature. So just click that button, and then from here you can go ahead and add your signature name and the details of your signature. So for example, the signature name, I'm just going to use new signature right here. Then now you can create your signature however you want. So for example, let's put regards, and then we can put the first name, last name right here, and then position in company, company name, and so on. What you can also do is that you can also use pictures if you want. So just go to insert and then click pictures. From here, it will open your file explorer. Then you can go ahead and choose pictures that you want to use. So for example, I'll use a sample company logo. Then I can adjust its size right here. Then what you can also do is that you can use some formatting. So for example, I can make my name bold. For the position in company, I can italicize it, and then I can change its color. And then for the company name, we have it right here. You can underline it, for example, like that. Or what you can also do is that you can insert a link for your company. You can insert a hyperlink. And then for example, I'll just use facebook.com, the YouTube page, and then click OK. And then now it will have this underline right here, and then the blue color. But if you don't want to have that, you can still just change that. You can remove the underline, and then you can bring it back to the default color of black. And then that is it. And then you can also insert a table if you want. Like for example, you can have a table right here. Then you can have the name right here, and then company, position, and then logo, for example, like that. It's up to your preference and how you want to edit your signature. So for example, I'm happy with this. I can click save. I can also turn on set default right away. So it's up to your preference if you want to do that, but I'm just going to leave it as unchecked. And then click save right here. Now we can have the new signature right here. So from here, you can edit it again if you want, or you can delete it, and then you can set it as default, or you can just select it right here. So now, when we go ahead and create an email, since we didn't set the default, we have no signatures right here. But what we can do is that, again, we can go to the insert tab, then we can add the signature manually right here. So now, as you can see, the signature that we created is now right here. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can fix the new Outlook if the signatures are missing. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.